Hey guys, we got our first good snow coming in. Inch and a half, 2 inches. It's been coming down good all day. And the girls are getting covered in it. Michelle, there's a rabbit in the snow. We had 6 inches of snow, but you wouldn't know it now. It's melting rapidly. We got sun. I got batteries charging up again. Good solar power pumping. Really good solar. I brushed them off the other day, but it was slow and tedious with my rib, and it wasn't pretty, so I didn't record it. But hopefully I'll get some batteries going today. I love this thing. I do want to get some feet though to keep it out of the ground. I don't want to wreck that wood. I think I might put some boards under it real quick. I'm going to put a carrying handle on there and do some more upgrades on it. But it works good. Hey guys, I got a package in the mail here. Need to sharpen my knife. We have here something new and unique. This arrives in perfect time for the season. This is a very unique extendable brush with a lot of different functions. Oh wow, and a lot of accessories. Look at that. So right off the start we got a pair of gloves, very convenient, with grips. And we got looks like a cloth, looks like a microfiber cloth, and their own brand. Look at that. A wintry decorated carrying bag. Also got their name on it. Let me see. Oh, look at that. The blade comes out. I think it's a replaceable blade if I remember I read it right. There's the extendable handle. Let me see. Oh, that's aluminum, not plastic. Let me see. One section, I'll have to see how this all goes. There's an extendable handle. Oh, there's another piece. I knew that was looking right. Wow, there's aluminum parts on this. This is no joke. This is all aluminum. Oh, it's a spare blade. Look at that. So that comes with a spare blade. These guys made this to last. So it's adjustable. Oh, it locks. Look at that. It locks in different angles. How convenient. For some people, you can't reach the different angles on your vehicle well enough. That's convenient. And a brush. Big. I mean, look at the size of that. That's no joke. Wow. Well, I can't believe that. Let me see, how does it come out? Does it just slide or is there a lock? This is I'm going to have to look at the instructions. This has different ends on it. I gotta figure out, does that just pull out? Yeah, it does. There's a ridged scraper. And then there's two other different scraper blades. Look at that. That is, I mean, they thought of everything on this. This is not just a little gas station brush. They thought of everything. So there's another section for the handle. Good grip. Everything snaps in. And locks in nicely. And quick release to take it apart. That's convenient. I like that fact, actually. I can put it away I don't like those massive snow brushes that you can buy that sort of like stick around all summer long and get kicked around and then get broken. And then in winter you got to buy another one. This will all go back in its box. I'm going to keep the box. And the other end. Wow, that is massive. And that's not all. I don't even have room on the camera to show it right now. That's not it. This thing is crazy big. We have a truck, so with that, there's definitely no problem. Let me see this. How tall is this to me? It's at least 4 foot fully extended. Wow. I mean, it's a good 3 foot or so closed up. It doesn't even, it's bigger than my table. It doesn't even sit on my table. Well, guys, I am going to be doing a full field test and review of this in the coming days, and it's perfect time, so I'm going to get right to it. So watch for a full review. I'll put the link down below and you can go ahead and grab one. I can tell already because there's aluminum in the construction, and because they've given you a replacement part already off the start, I am quite impressed. I think they mean business when they put this together. And the adjustable ends and all the accessories you get. I mean, that is all really impressive. There's a little handbook, which is helpful to figure out how to put it together, and a carrying case. Well, I want to say thank you, guys. I will be putting this to the test, and we'll see how it works out. I am laughing. Look what the dog dragged up. Well, it looks like a bone, so I guess I can understand her dragging that out. Melanie just gave me this and said, look what the dog dragged out. I'm laughing. That is hilarious, because it looks like a bone. Hey guys, road trip today. Now this is homesteading. Once more, we've gone to some farmers, but this was a good contact. Now we're going to have stuff, we got to contact, well, two places now for years to come. We've got here 300 pounds of barley, and then we ended up getting 225 pounds of animal feed for our chickens, and the barley is for us and the chickens. And we went to another farm. Let me go around the side of the truck. We got 400 pounds of wheat and 2 pails of straw for our, well, for covering plants and for dog bedding. So we've got almost just under 1,000 pounds of stuff on here. Hi, did you have a good day today? On the road, driving around? We got just under 1,000 pounds of grain and stuff on the truck. Hello. And we just got back a little bit ago. It has been a day trip, but we took our time and had a nice time of it, and made some good contacts for the future. Because I think we're going to be doing this every year from now on. We're going to be getting our own grains, making our own bird food, and our own people food on the homestead and saving money. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Good. So, we are all exhausted though, and we're going to have to take care of this tomorrow. We're going to put it in drums, and I have to wrap up this video and get it processed. Today is Saturday, which is late for us, but I wanted to share with you this massive haul for the homestead. And we got some really cool videos coming up soon. You're goofy. We got some videos coming up soon, making our own, barley soup. I am looking forward to barley soup. I haven't had that since I was a kid. We're going to have some soup, and we're going to make our own breads and cereals and fun stuff to come, so watch for the videos. Hey guys, got a package in the mail, and I feel, if this is what I think it is, I feel it's only appropriate to open it up here in my upstairs electronics lab. Yep, this is what I thought it was. This is precisely perfect for this area here, right where I'm sitting. This is perfect and goes hand in hand with what I've been doing up here. I think a lot of you can guess what it is from first glance. This is from Banggood, one of my favorite shops in the world. And we have here a battery welder, which I will be putting to use here on this, right here in this very desktop. So, I'm getting the power supply line out of my way here. So we have is, I'm sure this is the power supply. Yep. It's a rechargeable battery welder for 18650s or pouch batteries, which is going to be great for my use, my purposes here, because I'm dealing with a lot of pouch batteries. Now, I want to show you this here and give you an overview and a summary, and then I'll be using it on the electronics channel. There is some wire, some nickel. There's a fair amount of nickel strip. That's very nice. And there's something in there, I'm not sure what that is. I'll check that out later. But this has actually a digital display. And let me see if you can get a good view of that display. Digital display, very, very thick. You can see by my finger, incredibly thick wires. And, well, I'll be checking it out. There is instructions right on the top, which is convenient. Hard to lose that. I will be going through this and doing a full review and field test. Let me see if it actually has power. Those are some thick wires. Let me see. Yeah, it does have power. Digital display. I'm a little off camera, sorry about that. Digital display, I guess that's your... Yeah, I'm going to have to read the instructions. But it has power. I'll be charging that up and messing with it. And this is your trigger. I'm not going to hit it right now. And these are replaceable electrodes, which is a very good thing. Very, very convenient. I'll probably be buying some more right away just so I have them. Insulators here and heavy, heavy thick wire. So we'll be putting that to use here. Let me grab a battery and show you exactly what I need this for. Now, a lot of you are familiar with your common 18650 and the need to weld nickel strips on the top and bottom. But I also happen to have, from battery hookup, a mess of these small cells. This is 3 cells here. And they have a tiny little lead. That's the negative, the tiny, tiny little lead. I hope that's showing up well on camera. And the case is positive. And as you can see, they were welded originally in the back side. And that's the little negative. And so I have to be very careful with these. And that's where this is going to come in incredibly handy. So we'll be putting this through the works on my electronics channel. And I'll give you some updates on here as well. I'm going to cross post because this does have everything to do with off-grid living, because I am building battery banks out of flat batteries. I'm going to run my entire off-grid workshop. Yes, I say off-grid. It will be 100% off-grid using pouch cells and flat batteries. So thank you, Banggood. We'll be putting it through the works, and we'll see how it goes. There's 300 pounds of barley. That's as big as you are. That is pure barley. Some is in the hole, some isn't. It's rough from the farm. That's gonna be some work, but it's food. Actually, the birds don't care, but for me, I like to eat it.
I like cone.
It's good. It's just, well, I'm looking for whole grains. There's one. It's hard.
Mommy?
Yeah. I'll get you one here. Well, anyway, we're going to put the lid on. Get this put away. We got the feed off, and now we got to get the wheat still. There's 350 pounds of wheat, and there's about 50 pounds left that we'll keep inside. Works out perfect anyway. Now this is straight off the combine, right out of the field. There may be other grains mixed in. There's a little bit of random corn, and I'm not sure what that is. Actually, it's green inside. I don't know what that is. There's these little black things, a lot of them. But anyway, we have to clean it. But wheat, I love wheat. I used to eat it right off the combine when my grandpa farmed. Well, that's food right there. Some of it for us, some for the birds, but that's wheat. We're going to start eating healthier, grinding our own flour as we go, and making the freshest bread you can imagine. Well, I got to get the lid on this and get it put away. That's it on the truck. Now we're done, and just in time. I don't know how well it shows on camera, but we're getting about ½ inch to an inch an hour over the whole day today, all night tonight, and into Monday. This is Sunday. I usually don't keep my weekly update going so long, but I wanted to show you the grain. And now that it's snowing, we are putting away and getting ready for getting buried in. Up to a foot of snow they're talking about today and through the night. So that'll get us stuck for a few days. We have provisions and everything we need, but we're going to put in extra water and prepare for not having any solar and not having any sun, as well as a possible power grid blowout from heavy snow. I'm going to be preparing my battery packs that I'm putting together as a top priority, but that'll be separate videos. This is it, finally, this is the final end of this week's summary. I will get this inside and get this to you today. Talk to you later. Please do like this video. Can you see my hand? It's getting dark. Leave a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. You never know what we're doing tomorrow. Talk to you later.